I'm attempting to move the truck up so I can wash it. Sorry for all the voiceover stuff. This video wasn't planned. Anything under 1600 RPMs, this thing is running really rough. But over 1600 RPMs, it was running alright. After a long time of letting it run, I tried to move it, and it didn't really want to move. This is after I washed the truck. After the Snowfest, it started to run a little bit better, which led me to believe that it was the spark plugs. I assumed that some carbon burnt off of them.
The next day.
That's about right. The truck is running rough and needs to be fixed. It's raining. Every time. You're being so affectionate, but you can't trip me, girl. Goodness. Sound all choked up in the morning. I should have said this in the video, but I'm checking the oil to see if it's burning, because if it is, that can cause spark plugs to foul. Alright. Oh my goodness, spider webs. They're never in here. Go get that. Oil. In there, and it looks like it's gotten hot, but it looks not that bad. Okay. on. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait till I get oily hands anyway. I'm gonna have to wait till I get paid to get spark plugs. I'll probably get some NGKs or something. These Motorcraft spark plugs seem to be pretty pitiful. I have to replace them constantly. None of them look that bad. There's one that had like grass looking stuff on it. I'm pretty sure it was grass, so I'll probably have to eventually get a better air cleaner too. But yeah, Motorcraft makes great oil filters, but I'm not happy with their spark plugs. I have to replace them way too often.
The next day.
Again. This thing was running rough the other day. I mean, I took the spark plugs out and I cleaned them by hand, like just scraped off some of the stuff around the strap and the electrode, but and that it sort of helped a little bit. But then after driving it yesterday, just started running better. Still a little rough at idle, but it's completely, it's lean, but it's completely fixed. Well, I shouldn't say that. I'll jinx myself. But I'm rolling down the road. Pretty good to me. Intake noises sound like a turbo. That's always cool. And it still handles well enough to need a harness. That's always cool too. It's running good, so there's nothing to fix, but oh well, I'm glad it's running good. If the idle continues to be rough, I'll get some spark plugs. I'm sure that's what it is, because it's variable. If it was like something wrong with my valve train, it would be constant. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I guess I'll go so, but it's running really smooth right now. I'll let you know if it blows up. See you in the next video.